Good morning, Kevin.
Hey, Earl. Great to see you as always.
Absolutely, my friend. Another wonderful Monday.
Spring has sprung in real estate. Middle of March is the date we all get super excited about because the next several months are going to be the busy buying season.
It is. It definitely is. And this is holiday week, going into holiday week as well. So um,
How's it
by the time
looking out there?
it's looking busy. It's looking super busy. I'll be completely honest. Some people may say, that the market, what's going on with the market? They're a little unsure. Well, I'll be the first to tell you the market is super active and it's super busy. My phone is ringing off the hook with buyers and even some sellers because those guys are buyers as well in this particular market. So it's a lot of activity. A lot of activity. Definitely looks like it's going to be a busy summer for sure.
That's good. And from what I hear, inventory's doing a little better. Is that true? That's what I've seen on the news anyway.
That is true. Actually, on market, just to kind of give you some brief numbers, Greater Hampton Roads area, I kind of give you guys this report every so often, every few weeks or whatnot. But in the Greater Hampton Roads area of single family and detached homes, 2+ bedrooms to 1.5+ bathrooms, right now, the 25th of March, we're sitting at 3 months inventory. 3 months inventory, up about a month from last month in February, where we were at 2 around this time frame.
Okay.
So that's a good thing. That's not usually when you see months inventory go up, people are like, oh, okay, what's going on? Not in this case. In this case, for buyers, it's more opportunity. It's more homes on the actual market that they can have time to, fully digest from viewing and sharing with, their significant other and being able to, really make a sound decision.
Yeah. And you know what? Don't get too comfortable. A good home priced right is still going to sell fast and may still get multiple offers. So you have to be quick. You have to be aggressive in some cases. But at least having more houses out there is an opportunity to be able to make some offers, to find some things you actually like.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Multiple offer situations are still in effect. They haven't changed at all because technically we're not at 6 months inventory. So we're still in that seller's market. So, yeah, multiple offers. That's something that definitely happens. So you want to make a good sound decision, but make it, along the quicker lines. And you don't want to be a buyer in this market that's lowballing. I mean, you may find some deals in certain areas if you're interested in doing fixer-uppers. You can definitely find, you should definitely be able to find a decent bargain, but everyone's looking for those. So, you could still run into some major competition.
Yeah, man. And in the mortgage world, rates are coming back down a bit again. It's been volatile, to say the least, really over the last year or two. But, we're at about 2 month lows right now. A regular 30-year fixed conventional is going to be upper sixes. If you're looking at VA, if you're a veteran buyer, you're probably low sixes. 15-year fixed, low sixes. So they're reasonable levels, kind of average, honestly, if you look over the last 3 or 4 decades of what mortgage rates do. Now, of course, we got used to those super low rates, and they're not coming back anytime soon. But we're hopeful later this year that 30-year fixed conforming will see low sixes, maybe even into the upper fives in 2025.
Yep, absolutely. That sounds awesome. I know a lot of people have been waiting to hear that type of news. Some people are still looking for that 2-3%, but hey, don't hold your breath because you will pass out. It's not coming back.
So with home prices and mortgage rates and such where they are now, a lot of folks have been asking, does it make sense to buy a home right now? What are you saying, Earl?
I would say absolutely. And if you look at the numbers, which we'll share here as well in this video, if you look at the appreciation numbers, most economists and major industry cohorts actually show us with appreciation right around 3.8 for the year. And over the next 5 years, gradually growing at a healthy pace, not going from 5 to 10 to 20 like we did, pre-pandemic years and to pandemic years, but more of a healthy growth over the next 5 years. I think with them looking near 2028, with us being up right above, almost at 4.1, 4.2% appreciation.
Yeah, that's what I'm hearing too. All the experts are saying we're going to see about a 3 to 4% rise each year in appreciation and home values. So, that's kind of typical, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. That's your, run of the mill average growth. And if you think in the terms of dollars, $400,000 house purchased this year, in 5 years, you almost picked up $85,000 in equity.
Dang.
That's a nice piece of change. Very
Or
nice piece.
Wait 5 years to purchase, you're going to pay almost 85 grand more for the same house.
Right. So that's a good piece of change to lose. So I'd much rather have it in pocket than paying it out. That's for sure.
Yeah, man. Well, hey, it sounds to me like it's still a great time to buy. The best time to buy a house is when you need a house.
Right.
So to find that perfect home, how do they find you, Earl?
Well, to get in contact with me so we can sit down and discuss your home buying journey in a super great strategy session, you'll reach me at 757-871-4167 or earl.belltowerteam.com.
Sweet. And if you have mortgage and financing questions, need that pre-approval, it's loanswithkevin.com, or you can reach me at the office, 757-645-0196.
Fantastic. And just on a quick note as well, even if you aren't quite ready to make that move, or you're a little confused about what to do, at least reach out to us and give us a call. It's no obligation. You're not locked into anything, just to have a good conversation so you can set your future on the right path.
Yep. And as you can see, we're not too scary.
No, not at all. I won't bite.
No comment.
Right.
Leaving that one alone. We're on a Anywho.
Anyhow, Kevin, hey man, have a great rest of your Monday, and I'll catch you next week.
Sir.